G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Coles Made Easy Slow Cooked Lamb Shanks in a red wine sauce. That sounds pretty tasty, and it's 900 grams too, so it's not a small feed, it's pretty big. But how about we suss the back out, see what the ingredients are, and see how much lamb is in it. Well, the ingredients: Australian lamb shanks 77%, red wine sauce 23%. Now I wonder how many of these I can eat in a day if they're really awesome. Well, it says right here, servings per packet 2, energy 1880 kilojoules. So double that, that's about 4,000 kilojoules, which is less than half your daily adult intake. So mate, you could eat 2 packets of this if you really wanted to, every day. But how about we take it out of the packet and suss it out and see what we get. Alright. 900 grams. Yeah, that's a lot. Alright, well, here we go. That's what it looks like out of the box. And it's got some nice coagulated fat there that's nicely settled. And the lamb shank pieces, well, they're as big as your hand, probably as thick as your wrist. Alright, well how about we start heating these up and see how we do it. Right, here we go. How to cook. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, fan forced. I can do that. Remove packaging, open the meat pouch with scissors and empty the contents into a small oven-proof casserole dish. I hope I got a casserole dish that's big enough. Pour the remainder of the sauce over the pouch onto the meat, coating it evenly. Cover with foil. Right, get some foil. Place the dish on the top shelf of the oven and cook for 15 minutes. Sweet ass. Remove lamb from the oven, remove foil and baste the meat with the sauce. That sounds easy. Recover, return to oven and cook for a further 20 minutes or until piping hot. Sounds good. Remove from the oven and serve. Right, well, I better go and heat up the oven. Alright, well let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Well, I'm hoping this is big enough.
That's what she said.
I think it should fit
That's what she said.
all the ingredients there. So I'll cut this open. And we'll just pour this into the oven-proof whatever it is. Could be a cake tin, could be casserole dish. All I know is hopefully it's oven-proof. Now, how do we get the rest of this sauce out? Yeah, there's quite a lot in there. I'll do the old fold and squeeze trick. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the way. This actually looks quite jello, which is alright, but it wants me to cover it evenly, so I'll get this stuff off and get some of this like fatty bits there and spread it out evenly over the top of the meat. And I'll cover it with foil. Now this just goes into the top of the oven for 15 minutes. Alright, well, first 15 minutes, so let's take this off. Oh, it's looking pretty good. And now we just need to rebaste the lamb shanks in this red wine jus. Alright. Recover. And back in the old oven for another 20 minutes. Alright, well, here we go. 20 minutes is up. Let's suss it out. Well, I mean, there's quite a few big chunks of meat in there. They look pretty good, and it looks like there's quite a lot of meat on them. And the meat that is here, it just seems to be falling off the bone quite easily. Let's just put this on a plate. let me spoon some of this jus all over the top. And in fact, let's get a spoonful and see what it tastes like. Quite a bland tasting sauce. It tastes like a sort of a weak gravy. I reckon you could get some like canned gravy and stir it through this, and that would be really good. I mean, it tastes alright. It's slightly salty, but it's not too strong, which can or may not be so good. But how about we try this meat? Very tender. Although, towards the end it sort of gets a little bit chewy. It is a decent size though, and there is plenty of meat on it.
That's what she said.
Mate, it still tastes pretty good. It's not my pick of the bunch, but it tastes alright. And I reckon if you tried it, you'd probably like it. I think what this could do with is a little bit more salt, maybe some pepper. Thicken that sauce up and mate, it'd be good to go. Well, tonight I think I'm going to serve mine up with a plate of meat and 3 veg. I'm going to be pouring that juice all over the mashed potato and letting it soak in. I'll probably even pour it over the veggies, and oh boy, it's going to be good. Well, there you go, the cold slow cooked lamb shanks. It's pretty meaty. It's tasty enough, but it could be tastier. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll review a product. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen with a review.